everyone, it's Deb here, and I have got the July Kitaholic Kits kits here. There's been unboxings up on YouTube already. I only got mine yesterday. I've been away on holiday, so I am going to do a quick unboxing of what I got. So a lot of these, a lot of the stuff in these kits are from the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Boys Rule collection, and this is kind of exciting because I haven't really even gone through anything. I've had a quick look online when Reveal was on, so getting to see all this in real life for the first time. So we've got the flare buttons from the Boys Rule collection. Then this is really cool. We got two thin washies, and we've got a silver and a dark blue one, and they have got a glitter. It's really hard to show because they're very thin, but they do have they are glittered washi, and I really love thin washi. So we got that. We got 3 doilies, and they're those really nice lacy doilies. Love them. Some wood veneer, and I believe this would be Corporate Creations. So we got a frame, some arrows. There might be some Kaiser Craft in there, I'm not sure. But yeah, we got the pack of wood veneer. Oh, we got some puppy hearts, Bella Boulevard, and they are pickled juice mix. So that will go well with the Boys Rule collection because there is a lot of that green happening. And then we've got, what are these? These rub-ons. What are these? Oh, they're clear stickers. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, look at the paint swatches. That is going to look so cool. So there's 2 sides to that. Yeah, it looks like there's 2 sheets in there. So that was the embellishment kit for July. And I also forgot to add in, for the embellishment kit, we got a bag of sequins too. So I don't know how well that's going to show up on camera, but we got a mixture of black, purple, silver, and there's just all different sizes in there. So I love that. I love these little tiny ones. Wow. Those grey, blue. That is awesome. So a baggy sequins to go in the embellishment kit. Okay, next up we've got the mixed media kit, and I'm so excited for this one. First we've got the Katie mixed media stencil. We get one every month. This one is it called DNA maybe? Yeah. Oh, cool. So they're like all like different size rectangles. That one is a cool one. So is it called that? Yeah, DNA stencil. And then we got the Vicky Bouton 8 art crayons. So they are, try and get focused on that, watercolor crayons. So that is really exciting, and the colors go really well with the rest of the kit. So I cannot wait to try these because we got the watercolors of your kits back. So this will be cool to try. So I'm really excited about this. So that is the mixed media kit. Okay, next up is the pocket page kit. So we've got our acrylic word for the month from Corporate Creations. So that's our July words. And then we've got, what's wrong? Yeah, I'll give it to you later if you be quiet. Sorry about that. It's school holidays. I've got the I've got in the kit comes now I'm lost for words, the die cut pack from the Boys Rule collection from Cocoa Vanilla. So there is some of the pieces on the back there, lots of labels and lots of awesome stuff to use in your pocket pages. Oh, these are pretty. Enamel dots. So I don't know how well that's going to show up. I might get rid of that plastic. So we've got, they are so well matched, those colours in for the kits. We got pink fresh puppy alpha stickers, and I've been loving these every month in the pocket page kits. Perfect for Project Life. Let's see, we've got the accessory stickers from the Boys Rule collection. So lots of little icons and words and labels and tiny words. We have got, what have we got here? We've got two cut apart sheets. So this one is called Boy Stuff. So we got triangle arrow type print on the back, and then you've got the cut apart on the front. So there's that one. And this one is called Fun and Games. I love that wood grain. That's really, really pretty. And then we've got the cut apart on the back of that. So then we've got the 6x8 papers, so you can make your own Project Life cards. So I believe that the 6x8 paper pad is like halved for each kit. So some will have the same as this and some will be the other half of the pad, if that makes sense. So I'm going to show you which ones I got. So stars. Oh, that's a nice one. Geometric pattern. Oh, there's that wood grain again. I love that distress look too. I don't know if it's going in frame. Triangles and the same pattern that's on the back of that first cut apart sheet. So make your own Project Life cards with that. And I do have a video up on Kitaholics, and I'll link that below, of DIY Project Life cards. So we also got the exclusive die cuts. Let's get into there. So you get, oops, you get lots of labels, like lots, for your pocket pages. And I made, these are designed by me if you are not aware, but I did design some labels with some words on it. See if I'm in focus. Then you've got some plus signs, some stars, arrows, some flare, more labels, little doily type thing, and some words, 3x4 cards, some more decorative elements, some tabs. You just get all sorts of stuff. Oh, and this was my mistake. I put June in on the July printables, so it was a little bit late, but you can always go back and use that with your last kit if you wanted to, or if you were scrapping a picture or doing your Project Life and it happened to be June, it's going to perfectly match with the kits, isn't it? So that is the pocket page kit. Okay, last but not least is the scrapbooking kit, which is the main kit. So we've got some more of the enamel dots, and we got a big piece of tissue paper too, and I know exactly what I'm going to do with that. Great for layering, but I have got an idea for that one. Ephemera pack. Okay, this is the ephemera pack. What was in the last one? Hang on. Okay, this was in the pocket page kit, and I thought it was the ephemera pack. It's the miscellany pack of, so we got 2 packs of, that is so cool. Wow. So this one is in the main kit, and yeah, 45 pieces, so lots of cool stuff happening in that pack to use. We've got a silver and white straw, silver and white twine. We have got, now what's this? Oh, this is chipboard pieces. Wow, that is cool. Wow, 32 pieces. Oh, that is so cool. Ah, Sasquatch. Wow, I like that. It's a different texture to put on your page. We have got, what is this? Oh, thickers. Yay, they're called Wonder, and they've got words already. My favorite, when the title's already done for you. And this is perfect because we just got back from our holiday, so all of these are perfect. Palm Tree, Explore, excuse Ava, she's standing right next to me. Adventure, Getaway, Vacate, that is so perfect for our holiday. So I'm going to go through the papers. I'll do them quickly. So we've got Happy Go Lucky, that one, and I'm sorry if I was out of focus just then. This one is Good Times. This one is Straight and Narrow, and I really do like that effect of the dots getting darker at the bottom and they get lighter and smaller going towards the top. That's a nice kind of textured background. The stripes on the back. This one is called Messed Up. So it's got the triangle grey on the back and the distressed look on the front. This one is called Expressionist. So we've got the kind of geometric pattern happening on the back and the distressed look on the front. This one is called Starfall. So we've got little crosses. Let's see if we can show that on that side and the stars on that side. Oh, this one's a fun one. This one is called Entitled. Okay, sweetie, do you want to hop away? I'm almost finished. So we've got the blue on that side and the writing on that side. Then we've got the exclusive die cuts, which I designed, and Steph cuts these out. She does an awesome job doing this. Oh, and I dropped a star. Can you grab that for me, sweetie? So you get banners, some more words. Am I even in frame? I'm so sorry. This video is all over the place. Tabs. Oh, that one turned out cool. An ombre tag. Thank you.
And there's a star.
Star, yep. Lots of stars. Yep. Tabs. Sweetie, don't bump the light. Words. Little tiny flair. Labels. More labels. Viewfinder. Journaling spots. A tag. You just get lots of different stuff too, and there's like all the little bits of stars from that in the bottom. Lots of little stuff to help embellish your page and help tell your story. So that is awesome. So that is the main kit. So excuse me, don't forget to pop over, thank you, pop over to Kitaholic Kits. I will leave the links below, and I will leave a link below to the DIY Project Life cards, and I'm thinking of doing another one. I might do that.
Later.
I might do that on a Facebook Live, maybe in the community group. So,
Bye.
no, I'm not saying bye yet. So I will leave links below to everything, and yeah, to Kitaholic Kits, their YouTube, their Facebook, and all that, and the website, and the DIY Project Life cards. If you come and follow me on Instagram, I'll leave that link below. I will let everyone know there if I do a Facebook Live, maybe a DIY Project Life card video or a Project Life spread. I'm not sure yet.
Ooh.
And yeah, come follow me over there and you'll be notified if I do that. And I think that's it. And it's time for me to go because someone's getting impatient here. So until the next time.
Working right in a circle.
Okay. Till next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye-bye.